I'm the horticultural therapist at Sunnybrook Veterans Center, and my job is to work with the veterans either in the greenhouse or the garden, and also I can work in their rooms with their windowsill gardening if they prefer to stay in their room. When people are dealing with plants, whether it's in the greenhouse or in the garden, so if they're actually physically touching them, working with them, there's research that shows that it even lowers their blood pressure. There have been research projects done on that. And just looking at plants, not even being active with them, there is a sense that it does relax people, and that when they're working with their hands, a lot of the times they will be talking very freely. And that's where part of, with horticultural therapy, that as a therapist, often working with plants opens their minds and their mouths up, and they would be talking to me about things they would never talk about if they were just sitting in a room face to face. Yeah. And there are memories that are associated with those plants to their parents, even back to their grandparents. A lot of reminiscing in their 90s about their childhood, which is neat. Horticultural therapy in Canada, my understanding is, grew out of the veterans centers where the men and women came back from overseas, and they wanted to have the veterans get back into normal living, and part of that was with gardening. And it's really neat to see that years and years later here at Sunnybrook, that is still happening when it was happening back after the Second World War. It's really quite a nice continuation, I would say. Fondest memories are how much the veterans still want to garden and learn. Some of the veterans that I work with actually have not had a lot of gardening experience, and they have been referred by their families or the recreation therapists. And one of the comments that was said to me by someone who did not garden before said if she had known when she was younger how enjoyable it was, she would have loved to have started earlier in her life.